Hello everyone, so this is a very unique video. I've never done one like this before. You may be thinking it's weird, and you may be thinking, why are we on Dartpad instead of Android Studio like all the other videos? And the reason for that will become very obvious soon. However, for now, let's just skip ahead of that. And the reason I made this video is because I had someone literally asking to make a video about this. However, I should warn you right now that this is technically the most pointless video I've ever made. That's why I made it so short, so you wouldn't waste too much time. So basically, we are printing something here. This is going to be deleted. And we're going to print the Z list right here, which is empty at the moment. As you can see, we have list X and Y, and they just have numbers going from 1 to 10. And basically, there's the spread operator, which was the last video I made. And, if I print this, you'll get the X list, obviously. And then we can also add the Y list as well. And you can run, and both lists get together, of course. However, the Null-Aware Operator comes in when you're using null lists. So let's call this a null list. And we don't give it, we don't do this, okay? We don't actually give it anything so that it can be null. So this is a null list. And so basically, if I come over here and instead of Y, I do null list, and I try to run this now, it's gonna obviously, give us an error. However, if I come over here and I use the Null-Aware Operator, which is this, after the spread operator, and I hit the run, then it identifies this as null, and it just prints, everything else. I could have just come here and said also this list, and just do this, and it just prints it. It just ignores this, basically. So that's what the Null-Aware Operator is. However, if you would divert your attention to over here, where it says null safety, if I do this right now, you get an error straight away, and I can't even, well, I can press run, but you already have the error. And if you were on Android Studio, what would happen would actually be Android Studio would not allow you to run anything, because it would say, hey, this list is null, you can't, go ahead with it. So basically, this video is pointless because since Flutter's update where they implemented the null safety, that this Null-Aware Operator, at least from my perspective, has been pretty much pointless, because now it's not necessary, basically. The null safety kind of takes care of that. And that's why, as soon as I turn this on, you get the error right here, because just like it says right here, this local variable must be assigned before it can be used. So that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to explain what it was, and then also explain why it's not as important to know what it is anymore. So I hope that was clear. If this video helps you in any way or taught you anything new, please leave me a like. If not, that's okay. If you're new to Flutter, feel free to subscribe to keep on learning more and more about Flutter. Thank you so much for watching. This is Flutter Mentor, and out.